Grime 23, what's up? Thank you very much. Terry Trades, let's go. Ron, what's happening? Sherry, Butch. It is a party. Dream Key. Just taking care of some things here. Market up or down? What's everyone's guess? I don't know. Do we have any news that broke out over the weekend? I don't know. You know, that reminds me. I never took my Take Profit Trader payout request. I gotta do that, huh? Market always tricks me and makes me upset. Market's very random, man. Market's very random. Let's see. Oh. We tweet out the stream. Hey, Design, Joom here. Hello, friends, Joom here. Dan Jones in the house. Let's go. Let's go. All right, let me get this giveaway set up. So exclamation point Pine in the chat. We're gonna do 2 giveaways tonight. 250K Take Profit Trader credits. First one we're gonna do for all the subscribers. Second one we're gonna do for members only. So we're gonna run the first one at 7 p.m. around, or actually I think we'll run the first one we'll run the first one at 7:30, I think, Eastern time. First moose race. And then we'll run for 30 minutes, we'll do the members only. And we'll run the second one at 8 p.m. for members only. So 250K take profit trader accounts. Honest take, I mean not honest take. Who did I see up here? Oh, his Royal Trades, TJP. Hey TJP, hit me up on X. You won the a Starter Plus account on my X giveaway. Yep, yeah, Dream Keys. Yep, that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, I DM'd you on X, TJP. I just need your email so I can send it to My Funded Futures. Congratulations, by the way. Guys, feel free to, I just tweeted out the stream. Feel free to tweet it out or retweet it. Let's get the numbers pumped up. Smash that like button on the way in. Let's do it. All right, cool, TJP. Hey, going short. Thank you for the membership. Appreciate that. Eric, I did see your awesome win. Congratulations. It's all rigged, that's right. Hey, Keegan. Hey, thank you for the sub, Larry. Appreciate that. Hey, Honest Take, what's going on? No delay today. That's good. Hopefully it stays that way. You need to win an account? Today is my birthday. You have a good chance. You have a good chance of winning, for sure. Alright, market's gonna open up here in about 5 minutes. Appreciate you guys tuning in Sunday night. Thank you, John. Yes, 10K next. Hey, Methodical Man's in the house. What's up, Methodical? Donnie, what's going on? Hey, Coach Set. Hey, John Carter's in the house. What's up, John Carter? So we're gonna do 2 giveaways tonight. 2 150K Take Profit Trader giveaways. Thank you guys for using my code PINE for Take Profit Trader. Because of that, I was able to get over the threshold I needed to get some accounts to be able to give them away. So I appreciate that. And we're celebrating 2,000 subs tonight. So we're gonna do 2 giveaways. 2 moose races tonight. So it should be fun. Thank you, Eric. I love you guys. Hey, Sean. Hey, thank you, His Royal Trays. Congrats on 2K. Next stop, 200K. That'd be amazing. That would be amazing. Red Vito, thank you for the sub. Appreciate it. Christopher Campbell in the house. Hey, XMI, thank you so much. Appreciate that. The moose is on the loose. Jack Boom, thank you so much. Thanks, guys. Pretty amazing, to be honest with you. The first 1,000 was the hardest. And then it's been going up from there, so. Hey, Ray. So what do we think on the market here? Let's check the Magic 8 Ball. Do we gap up or down? Let's see. Do we gap up? I can't ask the 8 Ball. Too many questions there. Very doubtful. So no gap up according to the 8 Ball. So we'll see. A Ball does lie. Cranston White's in the house. How's it going? How was you guys' weekend? Did you guys have a good weekend? There we go. Oh, we got a small gap up. Alright, I need to make sure I'm not on the pro account because I am waiting on a payout. So I got a small daily payout Friday. Nothing major, 325 bucks. So that's about 290 or so. Hey, Alfred in the house. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. Let's do it. So a little different tonight. I'm gonna keep repeating this just because people are just tuning in, but a little different tonight. We're gonna do a giveaway at 7:30 for all the subscribers, and then we're gonna do a giveaway at 8 o'clock for the members only. So what happens is I'll have to close out the way I think I'm going to do it. I'm going to close out the giveaway at 7:30. We'll run the moose race when that's over. Then I go to members only in the chat. We'll run that for, 15 minutes or so, 20 minutes. And then we'll run the moose race again. I think that'll work. So, I don't know. This is new. I've never done it before, so hopefully it works. But it should work. I put my X link in the chat, guys, if you want to follow me on X. I did do a X giveaway, and congratulations to TJP, one of our live followers, and Eric Delicum, who won the 2 My Funded Futures accounts. So congratulations on them. So we are just giving away accounts like crazy, guys. But thanks to you guys, really. Hey, Neo's in the house. What's up, Neo? Neo's come to win another account here. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. Alright, I'm working on a Take Profit Trader account here. Hey, did you guys see the big news? My Funded Futures came out with... No, you're gonna have to enter again, Eric, after the first moose race, so... After the first one. Anyways, you guys see what happens with My Funded Futures? Instant payouts or automatic payouts. Check that out. Automatic payouts, approvals. So it's all gonna be automated. So if you meet the criterias, it's just gonna be instant, I imagine. So it's already one of the fastest. So, but that's good for us as traders. Is it right, TJP? Yeah, it's already super fast. So this is something I've been looking at, guys. Once again, so you see this inside bar here? At market close. Once again, I did not take it, but I don't know how I would actually enter, but I've been noticing that. You get a market close, and then the next day, you know, you still take the break on the market reopen. I don't know how it actually executed though, but it worked again. Hey, Coach Fred in the house. Yeah, Apex, yeah, for sure, TJP, yeah. It's good. I mean, competition is good, right, for us. So there's prop firms, they keep improving, whatever, they're competitive with each other, which is good for us as consumers. So, super awesome. Yeah, to some, TJP. Yeah, some people get paid like the next day, and then some people are waiting weeks. So it's definitely kind of crazy. If I get a Take Profit Trader account and select TradingView, do I have to pay for CME fees, or are they included? Does anyone know that? I think it's included, but I've never used TradingView in my life. So, but yeah, it should be all included. Right? That's part of their... It's part of their sign up, right? Yeah, it should be all included. Yeah, Biblical says everything's included. Yeah, I wouldn't think it would be any different than Trade-of-8, so... I usually get approved quick, but it takes forever for my money to hit the bank. Yeah. It says NinjaTrader license fee required, but I'm not sure if that means that it's just from NinjaTrader or TradingView. Oh, okay. Trade-of-8 does have a mobile app, David. It's not great, but you can do it. I see a lot of people using it. What's the rule for buffer for Take Profit Trader? I got a funded 25K account, my trailing 1500. Is I hit 1500 anything after the golden, or is it half the trailing? So Stenix, the way it works is if you get over $1,500 on a 25K account, now your account becomes static. Anything over $1,500, you can take a daily payout on. So yeah. So like this account right here, this is a pro account. It's a 50K account. I got over $2,000. You can see it's up to 325, or 5,200, 325. I did that on Friday. I'm gonna take a $325 payout. My drawdown is $2,000 after I take the payout, so it's static at that point. So yeah, it's sweet. No consistency or anything. Terry Trades, hope you had a great weekend. Oh, talking to Terry. Tagged you with a big win. Yeah, Terry was just on earlier. She'll probably be back. She said she was gonna come back for the giveaway. She wanted to make some... She wanted to enter in. She wants that 150K account too. Let's see here. We are just pushing higher. Hey Amelia, good to see you. The Open took out the rejected Friday's overnight high. Wasn't even paying attention to the giveaway. Yeah, Alfred, we're gonna do 2 because you're a member as well. So we're gonna run this one at 7:30, and then I'm gonna reset it, and then I'm gonna switch to members only, and then we're gonna run another one before I sign off. So we're gonna run 2. So good chance for members to get an account. So I appreciate the members that have joined. It's just to help support my channel. Appreciate that. Hopefully it works. I'm sure it will. All right, coming back to test the VWAP. Yeah, you were in a trade, you were focused on that. I don't blame you. Shorted near the top and got out 50% retrace. Oh, sweet. Let's take a look at gold here. Gold's breaking down slightly. Just waiting for an inside bar or a harami. And, well, I gotta make sure I'm off this pro account. Don't want to be trading that. Not yet. Not until I get that payout that I just requested. So, let's see. Hey, TJP, will the account I want automatically pop up in my Find a Future account? I have no idea, TJP. I would imagine you're gonna receive an email, but I did just send off your email to the affiliate guy from My Funded Futures. So, but yeah, if you don't receive it in like a day or two, like, you know, just hit me up again and I'll resend it. Yeah, because they handle it. I just send them the email and then they handle it. So hopefully it works out. Same with Take Profit Trader, guys. Make sure you guys have a Take Profit Trader email, a sign in, so that way I can send it off to Take Profit Trader. So that way they'll credit your account. Alright, market looks like it's frozen in time here. Thinking about taking a long here off the VWAP. Just lost 50 clams on a long. Design shorting gold. Is gold tanking? Gold is pushing down. YM's pushing up. What's CL doing? Alright, put in an inside bar in the 5 minute. Never heard of gold design? No. GC? No. Thinking about hopping in along here, just kind of riding this trend up, this little gap up here. We did put in an inside bar. I was kind of waiting for the break, but I don't know. I think I'm just gonna hop in.
Order filled.
Hopping in a little early, so they don't get burned here. It's on an eval only. Alright, there's the break of the inside bar. So, got in a little bit early, but we're risking about 220 bucks. And I'm looking for the high. Loving the gold play. 100 ticks. Oh, nice, Cranston. Staying away from the gold right now. Trying to become a member. I don't see where it gives you the option. TJP, it should be right where you do the super chats or the like. I have it on my phone here, but I'm not sure. Like, if we hit the money sign down here, it comes up as membership, gifting, super chats. Does anyone else know? Huh, that's weird, TJP. It's only available on a computer, not on mobile. That's interesting. That's weird. Huh, that's interesting. Thank you for that, Yo Jim. What's going on? Oh, it's right beside the subscription button. Alfred says. Appreciate that, Alfred. Hey, TJP figured it out. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks, guys, for helping out there. Thank you so much, TJP, for the membership. Alright, we're getting a little pop here. Just trying. Just trying. What do we got for upside targets, guys? Should I go for more points here if we end up breaking? We got these equal highs up here. 5 minute. No, not quite. I kind of like this long. TJP stands take profit, yes. All right, pushing up here, 784s, 785s. There we go. This is the pop we want to see here. Just see if we can make new session highs here. Do I go break even on trades? Sometimes, yeah. Like I think I definitely do. Sometimes, Francis. I don't know. It kind of depends on the account. Like if it's an intraday trailing account, I'll move my stop pretty quickly into break even and then even trail it. If it's an end of day account or if it's a static account or anything like that, then I tend to keep the stop where it needs to be and kind of target that take profit. So it's kind of what I do, but I mix it up a little bit. It's a little discretionary.
Cancelled.
There we go. It's a nice trade off the inside bar there. I was thinking about targeting a little bit higher, but we'll take the base hit win right there for now. Hey Seven, what's up? Big pimpin'. Boy, so guys, I broke my pinky toe about 3 weeks ago on I got a new bed frame, to be honest with you, and I broke it on the new bed frame. And just before I got on stream, it's already like pretty much healed up, and just before I got on stream, I just slammed it into the bed frame again. I gotta put some padding around it or something. Ugh. It's like, what the heck? Good way to start the week. You've done the same thing, Michael? Yeah. So listen to Bedrock and had a baddie with him, blames the pinky toe. I am a hazard to myself, Alfred. Man, I literally slammed it. It's that middle one. It's like the middle post in the bed frame. It's probably just badly sprained. This is not broken this time, I don't think. First time it was definitely like, I think, cracked. because it took, might have been more than 3 weeks to heal. It was swollen really bad, black and blue. It's gross. I took the base hit, yeah. For sure. Oh, yeah, I woke up to go to the bathroom in the dark, slammed the pinky toe, yeah. I've done it before on my big toe on the coffee table once. On my coffee table. I come running down the stairs for something. Smacked it on the edge of the coffee table. 40 years old, you gotta learn not to run through the house. Altcoins are acting pretty weird on the big spike. Oh, that's interesting. Someone was asking me about crypto and altcoins today. And I'm like, I don't know. I need advice on your favorite strategy, the vertical bear call spread. Coach Fred, I got nothing. I mean, I'm still learning. It's pretty bad. We're getting that pop up through the 800s now. Terry Trades is in the house, Coach Fred. She hops on later. She might be able to answer a question or two. She's quite the expert on options. A lot more of an expert than I am, that's for sure. She's expert on pinky toes too. I'm still holding on Ondu. Down big, Ondu. She's the mastermind? Yeah, for sure. She absolutely is the mastermind. She is amazing. Like, she started telling me about these option strategies and stuff, and I was shocked at the knowledge she had. She obviously has studied. She's got a lot of study time in on it. I was like, still over my head. I know the basics. I made a few $100 on it on Friday. I'm only up about a couple $100 for the year. I mean, I've only been doing it for about a week or two, but she trades like spreads, vertical spreads and things. But yeah. Clambo money, that's right. Target hit 803, 1793 down. Oh, nice biblical. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. We're gonna do a giveaway. We're gonna do 2 giveaways tonight. So 2 150K accounts, credits. Take Profit Trader. Appreciate you guys using my code Pine. We're gonna do one for all the subscribers at 7:30 and Eastern time. We'll run a moose race, and then we'll run, after we get finished that one, we'll run another one for another moose race for the members only. All right, we are just parabolic now. Pushing higher. Up to 811.75. I think it's what is the membership, guys? Is it $4.99? $4.99 a month. It's just to help support the channel. We start getting more members and stuff. I want to do more member giveaways and things like that as time goes on. But smash that like button on your way in. It's the easiest way to support the channel, just being here. Members have to be present to win the member race. Yeah, I'd appreciate it if you guys are present. And also we'll run the members race right around 8 o'clock or so. And also make sure you have a Take Profit Trader email. So market's pushing up to 812s. DeKindo, oh, thank you so much, man. Hey, Christopher Campbell, thank you for becoming a member. Appreciate that. Thank you so much. So kind of grinding along the, so I had another good day on Friday. I never really talked about Fridays, but all the market's grinding up here and I'm waiting for another setup to talk about some things. So on the Buellanox account, I made another 317 bucks on the funded account. Just on a really nice streak so far. I currently only have one master account. I have a bunch of evals I need to trade, and I have one that I can actually activate. But I've been trading really well, just kind of trading one account at a time. And so I'm working on my third payout on this account. And I got it up to 54,565. And you can see, like, I'm just kind of taking base hit days pretty much. This is my largest day, 936. I caught a nice trade there, but yeah, just kind of base hit days, trying to keep my losers to a minimum. So that day right there was negative 500, negative 273, which is quite manageable. But yeah, just really trying. And so what I've been doing is, like, I've been on an XFA curse for Top Step. And so I set so I've been setting a daily loss limit of 900 bucks. And sticking with it. So I put in the daily loss limit and then I lock it out so I can't change it. And the reason why is because I found, like, with my funded futures, with the starter accounts, having that $1,100 daily drawdown has really saved me. I'm actually getting close to another payout with my funded futures just because of the daily loss limit. It's saved me twice. So let's see if we can. I'll pull up that account too. Okay, we are just pushing higher here. Thank you, Seven. But yeah, you can see this My Funded Future account. See if I can pull up the. Alright, get a little rejection off the 8/16s. I want to show you my life-ended futures thing. There it is, right here. So this is my funded futures. So I'm working towards another payout. I'm up, I think, what is it up to? $700 something dollars. But I've actually hit daily loss limit, $1,200 twice on this account. No, 3 times. 3 times on this account, and I still have it. So, like, that just proves, like, you know, if you set a daily loss limit for yourself, like, it'll save the account and then just live to trade another day. So I actually still have this account, and it's currently up. I mean, I'm not trading it that well, granted, but you know, it's up to, let's see, where is it? So I have it, it's up to 50,723. So, you know, it's like halfway to where I need to be to get a daily payout. But like, daily loss limits saved me multiple times. So it's just like the importance of DLLs. Business, we're gonna do the giveaway at 7:30 for all subscribers, so in 1 hour or so, and then we're gonna do the members only giveaway at right around after that giveaway is done, so right around 8 o'clock or so. But exclamation point Pine in the chat to enter. Thanks for the advice. Oh yeah, no problem, 7. Yeah, so that just works for me. So let's check out the news here. We're getting a little pullback here. This might be, I don't know, it's hard to go short where we are just seem to be very bullish, but could be putting in a little harami candle here. It's not really harami, but it's pretty close. I think I'm gonna actually switch to the other eval here. $60 points off all-time highs. Yeah, that is a concern for sure. That is a concern, Cranston. I think we could possibly sweep that this week. We do have non-farm this week, right? Thursday, because of the holiday is on the 4th. The 4th of July is on Friday, so we have non-farm at 8:30 on Thursday. So yeah. Hey Cove, what's up? What's going on, Cove? Josh Allen in here? Short kind of looked interesting here, but man. Cove Trader in the house. Yeah, Josh Allen. Josh Allen is taking a break from beating up my New England Patriots. So he's in here hanging out. About to grab some dinner, Cove? Nice. What's for dinner tonight? Should I start my stream and name myself Dave Trader? Yeah, sure. Never know. Not the QB, unfortunately, no. Oh, Mexican food. Sweet. I love Mexican food. Hey, CeeLo, thank you for coming a member. Appreciate that. Thank you for the support. Sensei's in the house. Hey, I wish you a green week as well. It should be a fun week with non-farm. I don't know. It should be interesting. I mean, day before a holiday, non-farm. I don't know. It's gonna be. Should be fun. I don't know. Hey, Trader 007, good to see you. Cove Trader's getting a big deli sandwich. Well, I know Cove is lives in the New York, New Jersey area, so there's plenty of good food around there, that's for sure. Plenty of good food. I'm sorry. I don't know, I missed something. Trader 007. It's all good. Hey, Mestar's in the house. So we've made one trade off this inside bar and it's ripped higher. I mean, I wish I would have just held on to it, obviously, in hindsight. But yeah, we took out the went long, took out the high, took profit. That's it. Now just kind of waiting on another inside bar or yeah, Harami. I kind of feel like we just keep pushing higher. It's kind of my thing. I feel like if I try to short, I'm just gonna get burned. But we had a bunch of buyers come in just below prior bar's low, and immediately started to push back up here. But I don't know. Rejected off 816. Chad, I wanted to ask how we know if we have won if we only enter the username. So I'm gonna run a moose race, Mike G, at 7:30, and whoever wins, it'll show. So when you enter code Pine, I get all these tickets right here. So I get these tickets, they show up here, and then I copy and then I paste them to the moose race game. So, and we're gonna do that live. Just exclamation point Pine. Just make sure you. Yeah, very Canadian. Yeah, I'm from Maine, so we have a lot of moose up here in Maine as well. So that's why we run the moose race. Yeah, exclamation point Pine Sensei, and then We're gonna do a members only too. After we do the one for the all the subscribers. So, yo, Jim, thank you for being a member. Reddit joke, June race, so weird. Yeah. Oh, it's 2 in the morning where you're at. I appreciate you hanging out. I appreciate that. Yeah. We are running it a little bit earlier. I usually run it at 8 p.m. Eastern time. So we are gonna run it a little bit earlier. Sponsored by Ben and Jerry's. I wish. How do I become a member? Someone said it's right down next to where you see subscribed. So like if you're looking at YouTube, it's usually like right here. For some reason, I'm actually a member of my own channel because it get gifted when someone gifted a bunch of memberships. So appreciate that. Hey, Michael Anthony's in the house. Dropping that info. Guys, I appreciate the like buttons. Almost up over 100 likes. Got 169 people watching. Appreciate the likes. We've taken one trade so far. I'm kind of just waiting here. Let's take a look at gold. I mean, pretty good movement for the start of the overnight. I mean, nice little push up. Not much back and forth action, but at least it's not completely flat like we see some nights. YM is starting to curl down a bit. Hey, David Peskett, thank you for becoming a member. Oh, Michael, I actually don't invest in many stocks at all. I just have my account, like my personal account. I trade a little bit of options right now. Because I'm learning, and the rest is all just invested in like long-term like ETFs and stuff like JEPQ for dividends and things like that. But not in financial advice. Yeah, I know Design, but the weird thing is he responds sometimes. So yeah, I did time him out once, but then I was just like, we just leave him be. He doesn't spam, so we're all good. Jag, do you normally trade enter using the 5-minute and not any lower like 1 minute? Yeah, Jag, I trade 99% of my trades are based off the 5-minute chart. Hey, thank you, Force. Have I looked at PFE that announced dividend? No, I haven't. No. No, I got some JetQ. I think I got... Yeah, JetQ. That's my main. A little SCHD. But Alright, we're still pushing higher here. No momentum now, though. Could wait for a little pullback and maybe try and enter a long. Think there's a hard rejection coming. Michael Anthony, quality name. Yeah, Coach Fred. Thanks for answering. I've got to go back to using 5 minute. I've been using 1 minute too much and getting caught in false moves. Not looking at the bigger picture. It will force me to slow down trades. Yeah, so I've tried to trade off of 1 minute. Like I have a 1 minute pulled up here. This is from Methodical Man Strat. You guys know Methodical Man. On YouTube's, it's the 9/21/50. So occasionally I look at this, but I really don't trade it that much. It's back tested for like in the afternoon, so like after 10 p.m. Eastern time, you know. But yeah, it's like looking for 50 breaks, 9 breaks. Methodical Man just made a video on it earlier this weekend on the 50 touch. So, but yeah, I just been looking at the NQ for so long. I mean, that 5 minute for so long that I just based my trades off that. I mean, obviously with the higher time frames, it can be a little bit more difficult to play stops and things like that. So you have to size down, but because sometimes your stops are large. But yeah, I've always liked the 5 minute. Hey, Jamie. Hey, Discipline Trader. Yeah, unless you caught the move. I always listen to stock picks by the basis of Van Halen. Exactly, design. I always get my financial advice from the basis from Van Halen. Do we take out PDH, PWH before significant pullback? I don't know. Possibly. Michael Anthony, basis trader. I just don't like the spreads during those times, yeah. Or during these times, yeah. It does make it a little difficult, invest stars for sure. Hasn't been too bad tonight. Wow. Ran some stops there, busted that high. $50 points away, Jamie. It's possible. I mean, that's not that far. You know, NQ, it can make up that in one candle. So I have a saying, you know, don't short all-time highs. And looks like we're going for it now. Can someone give me all-time highs, the exact level? Or at least close? Is it 880s? Or 78 or something like 878? Is that what it is? 887, 871, 6278 on the ES. Thank you guys. $25, 87, 440. Giveaway us? Oh, let me change that. Thank you. That is. I will change that. Thank you. I gave that a change. Giveaway us. So yeah, we definitely could take out all-time highs. I'm definitely thinking. For sure. Getting the rejection now there off 842. I'm definitely not looking for any shorts at the moment. Unless we start breaking below the VWAP. I don't want to fade this. You can see we tried to attempt to break prior bars low there on the 5 minute. We got bought right back up and it took right off again. So I think that could be the target. Might be interesting to see what the trying to take a look at book map here. Boy, what a rejection there. 842.50s. Boy, do we really have a 600 lot sitting up there around 850s? Big Harami candle here. Very poor risk to reward. Alright, I'm gonna try it with
Order filled.
just gonna try it with the micros. Very poor risk to reward. Might actually make a run to the VWAP, possibly, if we can keep pushing lower, but I don't love this trade, to be honest with you guys. So please do not follow my trades. And this is on an eval as well. I'm gonna risk 192 bucks with the 4 micros. But normally what I do is, you know, I just take the short off the break of this Harami candle. Stop goes above, and then I target the low of the previous candle. But because the risk to reward is really poor, if we end up pushing down, I'm actually looking maybe for a run to the VWAP, retest the 800s again, but I don't know if we'll get there. And then, but if we move down below this candle right here, I'm gonna just quickly move my stop to break even. So that's my game plan. But like I said, I don't love it. So we're gonna run the giveaway at 7:30 Eastern time. We'll close it out right around that time. We'll run the moose race, and then after that, once that's finished up, we will run a members only. So I'll turn on the chat to members only, and then I'll have you guys enter in !Pine again, and then we'll run it again. Please have a Take Profit Trader account or an email, or sign in at least. Damn, I should have left my trade going. I got 13 points at the open. Same, TJP. Yeah, I got right around that, 12 points or so. Oh, Ray, you only need to put it in once. You only need to put it in once. Yeah, you're good. You're good. Just reminding the people. It's all good. Hey, Chris McBee, thank you for the sub. I appreciate it. Yeah, this is not a good looking candle here. I'm just gonna close out this trade, I think.
Order cancelled.
I got out of this trade here. I do not like it. Love you but faded. Yeah, Nate, I hear you. I didn't like it either. I was fighting my own thing, but I'm gonna I even got out early. I'm not even gonna let it hit the take profit, the stop loss. So I think it's going. The market just keeps going up. For sure. About to buy and hold overnight. Not a bad idea. Market is full of BS. Price means nothing. Only thing that sees it matters price action. On Friday 800s for high. Now it seems like it's low. I know. Tennis trader, yeah. Absolutely. I don't trade on any fundamentals or anything. I trade purely on price action on the 5-minute. Purely. I am back to looking at some ESTPOs though. Just for personal option stuff, but hey, Eric Lake's back. What's up? Rug pull turn us back to 21s. It's called Time Price Opportunity 7. So it's basically market profile stuff. And basically these are like, if you look at them as like 30-minute candles. And it's something I learned way back when I first started trading. So these are point of controls here, the greens. The blue lines are the volume point of controls. These are called single prints when you see gaps in price. So like ICT guys would call it fair value gaps. But fair value gaps kind of just come from like market profile single prints. And basically the idea is just like the price is going to go back and repair these areas. And then it shows like this blue area here is where it just gives a lot of information. It's where let's see where I got it set. Can't quite remember. It is 70% of the trades took place in this blue area on Friday. So 70% of all the action. And as you see, like we broke down below. This could be like good trades. It broke down below. And then as it started to reverse, like you kind of have a good idea that it's going to head back to this value area here, 70%. And that's what it did. It started to break down, it reversed, it came right back into the where most of the action was traded, and then it just hung out there for the rest of the day. So that's how kind of how you look at TPOs. I'm definitely not an expert at it, but time price opportunity. That's what TPO stands for. So we got Ozzy Osbourne in the house. Nice. Waiting for the rug pull, George. Market profile TPO is the gold standard on rotation chop sideways days. Yeah, design for sure. Some people swear by TPO charts. I've never used them. Yeah, it's the very first thing I learned, Alfred. It's the very first thing I learned when I was learning futures. Before 5-minute candlesticks or anything, I was just learning TPO charts. So I'm just kind of like keeping an eye on them again for like intraday swinging with option strategies. So I'm just trying to learn it again. So it's nothing is options and stuff is something I'm not an expert on, but it's just something I'm experimenting with. Buy below or sell above value for rotation back to point of control. Yeah, that's the idea. Exactly. Yeah, that's the idea. because you can kind of see like that's what we did on even like days like this. So we went above value area and then we came back down to the point of control. So this is where most of the day was traded. So the volume point of control, that's the most volume for the day at that price, right around 6146. And then we dipped below in the afternoon and then we came right back to the point of control. And same on this day. Well, we pushed down in the J period and then bounced and came right back to the point of control, but then it actually pushed up through. So there's a bunch of different strategies. I've never been able to trade it that well with NQ. So that's why I just kind of stick with the 5 minute, but it's nerdy stuff. But if you guys are interested in learning TPO charts, that does interest you, I recommend, not financial advice, but I do recommend Jim Dalton stuff. James Dalton. Pine, what platform am I using? This is Tradeovate. Yeah, Design uses them, yep. Shows the distribution, bell curves, P shapes, B shapes, defines balance areas extremely well. Yeah. Yeah, I know Design uses them. I don't know if anyone else uses them in the chat. I tried those on Quant Tower. I didn't really find an edge other than playing off the zones. I see on the... Yeah, exactly, Michael. Yep. I'm just going to keep an eye on them with the ES. Possibly trading SPX options. So, just going to keep an eye on it. Somebody save me. My wife is singing again. Zabak. Do you mind sharing how to add your indicators on Tradeovate? That platform has a steep learning curve. Yeah, no problem, Toy. So, my indicators right here is... right here. I have, this is the VWAP. CE VWAP is what I use. The Harami candles is Ed of the Woods Harami. So if you just type in Harami in the indicator, community indicators, which you can find down here, explore community indicators, and then just type in Harami and it should pop up. And the same with the inside bars, which is LDT inside outside bars. So that's the yellow candles. And then I use initial balance high and low, which is Tiki opening range. So that's the opening range, initial balance or whatever. That's the first 60 minutes of the New York Open. So that's what I use. And that's it. That's all the indicators I have. Oh, I got volume down here too, but I don't even use it to really trade off from. I kind of look at it for confirmation, for continuation. Like if it puts in a Harami candle with a massive spike, I look for it for continuation. So like when I see something like this, so when it puts in a Harami candle and then it puts in a spike in volume, and you can clearly see it was a spike, and then I look for it for continuation. So if I hop in this long, then it kind of gives me that confirmation like, okay, well, we'll put in that volume spike, we could actually look for a bigger move. Yeah, same with this candle actually. Put in this Harami here, put in the spike in volume, and then continued. It's not foolproof, but kind of just gives me that confirmation. All right, we are pushing high here. I'm glad I hopped out of my short. So we were down 134 on this eval. We were down 235 on, or we were up 235 on this eval. The first trade I took was the inside bar break. We took out the high there, for 235 bucks. And then the second one, I went to short this Harami candle with micros. I immediately didn't like it. I just had that discretion, like I just don't like this, and I didn't have enough discretion to not take it, but I took it. But then I hopped out early because I don't know, I just knew we were gonna take out the highs. So what time is it? 8 p.m. Do I need to pay extra for using TPO, sire? Not with Take Profit Trader, it's free. So with Take Profit Trader, the TPO chart is free, which is nice. It's another cool thing about Take Profit Trader. There's a fantastic 40-minute video from Trade Brigade that the guy Matt has out. Explains TPO market profile in a very easy to understand way. Oh, cool. Thank you, Design. Just look up Trade Brigade market profile if anyone's interested in looking at it. I might actually check that out myself. Design again, get a little refresher. When did I move to YM? Oh, I've always traded YM. Coach set, yeah. I've been trading YM for a while. Actually, was it Friday? I think it was Thursday. I traded YM in the morning and got a payout with it. Daily payout trading YM. But I never trade YM this time of night. It's too slow. All right, we are going for those all-time highs. All-time highs, 2,000 subs. Smash that like button, guys. I really appreciate the support. We're gonna do a giveaway here in about 10 minutes. That first giveaway. And then we'll do some more giveaway. We'll do another giveaway after that, so. Thank you, Spider Lily. So-called baby channels, not so much, Coach Fred. I know. I can't really say. I think we're what, sophomore class now, right? I think we're up to the sophomore class. We're not a freshman class anymore. We got highs, we got subs, we got moose, we got it all. We got TPTs, 150Ks to give away. Hey, Lee Watt. Piner chat, did anyone get the top one email about their cheap straight to funded accounts? I have not. I actually have not signed up for any top ones. Yeah, Take Profit Trader accounts. Yeah, Force. Take Profit Trader, 150K. So we're going to give away one here in about 10 minutes. If you guys want to join the giveaway, exclamation point Pine in the chat. Please have a Take Profit Trader account. A sign-in, an email. Because I'm going to take your email address. Whoever the winner is, I'm going to take your email address and I'm going to hand it off to Take Profit Trader. And they're going to credit your account. What they do is they take a credit off my account and they put it in your account. So, I don't know, we try it again. Let's try this inside bar break. Let's keep trying to fade a bull market, right?
Order working. Order cancelled.
Pretty out of bracket here. We're short on the micros. Hey, Terry Trades in the house. Terry's short. Oh, nice, Alfred. Yeah, we're gonna run the moose race here, Mike G, in about yeah, about 10 minutes. And then we'll run another one for members only. So we'll give it like 15 minutes after we run the first one for the members only to get their things in, and then we'll run that one too. Celebrity Terry Trades 100. What's members only? Which member? ACD, yeah, for sure. Yeah, if you guys like to join my membership, it's like $4.99. Just help support the channel. Really appreciate that. Looking to do more members only giveaways, things like that as we grow. So hey, thank you for the sub, Louis G. Thank you for the sub. Hey, Dell's in the house. What's good? What's up, Dell? Exclamation point Pine in the chat, Dell. We're gonna do 150K take profit trader giveaway. Credit. Hey, Morosky, what's going on? Good to see you.
Order filled.
All right, we scalped out there. We could make a run back down to the VWAP. It is possible. But did I get the gold trade? I did not. I did not get that gold trade, yeah. Nice move off the inside bar, off the open though, on gold. So still down 70 bucks on that eval, up 235 on the other one. Thank you, Terry. Yeah, not a little scalp there, about 8 points, but we're just so bullish right now. We got all-time highs sitting up there, and I don't know. It's tricky. Trading all-time highs are tricky. Absolutely. You always think, well, looking for the reversal. Like, could we come back down? Like, how high can it go? Well, it can always go higher. And I keep telling myself, don't short all-time highs. So that's what keeps going around in my head. So in about 5 minutes, we're gonna run the Moose Race giveaway. Moose Race. And let me get that fired up here. Thank you so much, guys, for the 2,000 subs. I really appreciate it. Let's see. Get signed in here. Just gonna get set up here. I'll take one just for my birthday. That was my last week of winning. Positive thinking. Hey, it's a good chance. But happy birthday week, yes. Yeah, my grandfather's birthday is on the 1st, July 1st. He turns 87. Still kicking. Still kicking. 200 people watching, 122 likes, guys. Smash that like button. Let's let the YouTube algorithms know what's up. And when the clock strikes 7:29, I'm gonna close out the giveaway, and we'll run a moose race here. Thank you for the sub, Master Joel. Appreciate that. Market's at 22,835. It is making a push down off that inside bar. Haramis did not work tonight. The inside bar is a pain though. This Harami here did not pay. This one did not pay. This inside bar is a pain though. So far. Smokey, what's up? Getting tons of subs tonight, TJP? Awesome. So if you guys would like to join my X, it's up there pinned to the chat here. Market is still pushing down here off that, down to 831. Kind of feels like it wants to test that VWAP. It's teasing everyone. All right, guys, I'm gonna close the first giveaway here. You refresh. And then we'll run another one. Whoops, sorry. Look at all these late entries. Alright, closing it. Sorry, guys. What the heck's going on here? Alright. Bear with me. Alright. Here we go.
With their nails done now.
Alright, let me close down some of these. The tabs don't go crazy here. Alright. This is for 150K. Take profit trader. Credit. 150K. Good luck. Here we go. All right, who's it gonna be? 30 seconds left. Must be present to win. I'll give 1 minute for someone to claim. If not, then we'll run it again. Ooh, someone's taking the lead here. Phantom Futures. Someone's pulling up though. From the up. Oh, no way. I thought Neo was gonna win again. I thought Neo was gonna won the last one. Let's see what it was. Alright, shut this music off. Carter McGrady. Congratulations, are you here? Carter McGrady. Are those mooses or reindeers? I know. Hey, Carter McGrady. Awesome. You are here. Congratulations. First question, Carter McGrady. Are you in our Discord? Are you in my Discord? If not, that's fine. But I'm just wondering, it just makes it easier. You want to see the other ones? Let's see who finished last. We're gonna run another moose race for members only. You follow me on Twitter? Sweet. Yeah, can you message me in Twitter? On Twitter? Or X? What's your username on X? Yeah, it's all random, John. Chrisas, yeah, it's random. Yeah, that'll be cool if I can hit you up. That's easier. On X. We're gonna run it again with members only. I'm just gonna take care of this one first. I'm not sure, Donnie. It's gonna be interesting. But yeah, we'll run that soon. Oh, market's still pushing down towards that VWAP. McGrady had a head start. He was cheating. Came up from the rear. For sure. But congratulations, Carter. Carter, can you hit me up on X? Can you message me on X? Just say what's up. Because what I'm going to need to get is your email address for Take Profit Trader. Alright, let's see here. My Fun and Futures BOGO still going on. I want to get another account, but I only get it tonight. Promo's still going. Yeah, I believe it's still going on. Doesn't it end midnight tonight? Terry, can you confirm that? The My Fun and Futures buy one get one. I believe it ends tonight. Yeah, Monica, it was for a giveaway. The name. Last place mushroom. Alright, so we're gonna do a members only. Thank you, Keegan. There it goes, flushing down. All roads lead to the VWAP. The VWAP. Terry trades with the 10 gifted memberships. Let's go. Wow. Thank you so much, Terry. Terry's. Thank you, Terry. All right, let's see here. All right, we're gonna start the Thank you so much, Terry. So what we're gonna do? All right, Carter McGrady. Okay, cool. Carter. All right, I just sent you a DM, Carter. All right, now we're gonna do the other giveaway for members only. Thank you so much, especially you members. Let me figure out how to do this here. I gotta go here. I gotta go to members only chat. So I'll be back to the regular chat after we do the members giveaway. If I can figure it out. All right, members only. Exclamation point pine in the... Oh, actually, hold on. Oops, sorry, wait. Hold on. Exclamation point pine in the chat. Yes, it's working. Sweet. Thank you so much, Terry, for the 10. So regular chat, I'll be back with you for the end after this race. Carter McGrady, I'm messaging you. Good chance one of you guys is gonna win. 17. All right, so we'll run it till we'll just run it for 5 minutes or so. 7:50. We'll close it off and then we'll run the moose race. Nice trade, Terry. Hopefully you're still short. Thank you guys for the memberships. I really appreciate it. I want to do more members only memberships for those that, you know, pay to win. No, I just appreciate the support, guys. It's awesome. Thank you for using my code PINE. On Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, you know, Bulenox, Apex. Keeps the channel going, keeps me going. Hopefully I provide some value for you guys and show you my little strats here. What a nice short off that inside bar, huh? Obviously in hindsight, of course, I scalped it, but right down to the VWAP. See if we get a bounce here. Close take profit, 500 bucks. Let's go, Terry. Congratulations, nice trade. Made 465 off that, 15 micros. Oh, nice, Alfred. Hit the VWAP, that's right. You're gonna start a channel this week, keep yourself accountable. It's not a bad thing, David. I mean, it's comes in handy sometimes when you're recording yourself and you have an issue with a platform or whatever. So that's definitely happened. So we got 18 members so far in the giveaway. So it's a good chance of one of you guys is gonna win. Good odds, yeah. Good thing you had the $5. Yeah, it's like buying a little raffle ticket. What am I going back to the... That actually wasn't me, LLT, but I appreciate that. No, that was Alpine. I'm just the pine tree. I'd go on the BDH if they invited me, because I know it would be great for the channel. It's all good. I like Alpine. Alpine was in the chat last week, in our chat, donated some money. Well, all those guys are inspirations to my channel for sure. That'd be awesome, man. LT. Appreciate that. Terry Trage is a top-notch host on that My Fun and Futures TV. Yes. So, guys, I believe Methodical Man is gonna be on My Fun and Futures TV this week. I think tomorrow, but I think tomorrow. Although Terry, he hasn't gotten confirmation yet from the powers to be. So, but he did select the scheduling for tomorrow at 10. So, but just so everyone knows, just so My Fun and Futures, he never got confirmation. So. But he is excited. Methodical is sliding in my DMs, but possibly a dual stream, a co-op stream with Methodical Man and myself one night this week. So Methodical Man's gonna be there, so you guys better be ready. I'm over on My Fun and Futures TV. He's gonna be there, whether you guys there or not. He's gonna be there. But yeah, it should be great. I will be tuning in. All right, 30 seconds, and I'm going to stop the giveaway. Right now, we have 19 members only in the giveaway. Methodical Man, get yours in. Exclamation point Pine. I don't think it went in. Everyone else is in there, I think. Power 737. There you go. That's one way to get in. 1 in 21 chance. Thank you so much for the support. Just in time. All right, closing entries. All right. Copy. Should we do a moose race? Why not? You know what? Let's do something different. I'm from Maine. We have crabs, right? We have lobster. We know we have lobster. All right. Let's do the crab race. For the members only. Those are some slow crab. Steam soft shell, yes. You know what happens when you get crabs, though? It's not good. I definitely like the moose race better. I'm just gonna say. This might be a one and done with the crabs, but TJP out to our lead. Yo, Jim Blob. Yo, Jim Blob. Hey. Congratulations, Yo, Jim. Let's see who came in last. Thank you so much, guys. Let's see. Turn on the rest of the chat. Yo, Jim. Congratulations. Thank you for being a member. We turn on the rest of the chat. Thank you, guys. All right, everyone's back on the chat. Congratulations, Yo, Jim. Yo, Jim, you're on the Discord, right? Yeah, I'm gonna post the Discord. I know it says invalid. I know. I'm gonna post it in the Discord now. I mean the chat again. If you guys want to join my X, it's pinned to the top. All right, Yo, Jim, I'll hit you up on the Discord. There's the Discord links there. So yeah, we nice short off the inside bar there. Pushed right down to the VWAP and is bounced. So there's a link to the Discord there, pinned it to the top there. Thank you for everyone that joined the memberships. Today, Going Short, TJP, Christopher Campbell, CeeLo, Yo Jim, David Peskett, and thank you, Terry Trades 100, for the 10 gifted memberships. So look forward to doing more in the future. Giveaways with memberships too, and also for the regular. And that's just because you guys have been helping support the channel by using the code PINE. So I really appreciate it. I can't believe it. 2,000 subs, and yeah, just awesome. Yo, Jim, what's your Discord screen name? Thank you, Terry Trades. Guys, check out Terry Trades 100 too on YouTube and X. Super awesome. Yo, Jim Blob. Okay. I sent you a message, Yo Jim, on the Discord. Hey, thank you. Yeah, you guys enjoying the Discord? It's completely free. It's just a place for the community to hang out off when I'm not streaming. And I post stuff in there. Like I posted a video in there today when, you know, that I didn't post on YouTube, so appreciate that. I sent you a DM. Yo, Jim. Yeah. Sweet, guys. I think I'm gonna call it there. Whoa, just put in an inside bar here. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna go eat dinner. Yeah, go, let's see. Got Methodical Man over there streaming. He's over there hanging out. Appreciate all you guys. We'll be back at it all week. So we'll be back tomorrow night, 6 p.m. I'm a little tired. I traveled all day today. And I'm going to go eat some dinner and get some rest. But yeah, some good trading tonight too. This inside bar looks like a nice inside bar long. Just saying, not financial advice, but that kind of looks like a good one. Don't know. Who knows? Thank you guys. Appreciate all of you. Alright, I'm signing off. Congratulations to the winners. Look for more giveaways to come. Use code PINE.